Let's make a simple oven roasted turkey using spices you may already have. Half cup oregano, quarter cup paprika, 3 tablespoons granulated garlic, 3 tablespoons roasted ground cumin, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 3 tablespoons Himalayan salt. Toss it to combine. Apple cider vinegar, 3/4 cups. Oil, half a cup. Give it a stir and mix it well. You can add hot pepper in here if you'd like as well. Give it a taste. Delicious. This turkey is 14 pounds, a little over 14 pounds. I'll remove it from the packaging. Remove the giblets from the cavity. There's usually stuff at the neck too that I always forget. It's hidden. Check for feathers and then we'll rub with lime or lemon juice. Then I'll soak it with vinegar. Give it a good rinse. Rubbing. Place in a dishpan filled with cold water and add 1 cup of vinegar. Soak it for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the turkey from the vinegar bath and rinse it a couple of times and drain it, and then we'll season it. Next I'll rub the spice mix in, inside and outside the turkey. Give it a good massage. Refrigerate it for a couple of days. I'll put it in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. Okay. Use up all the seasoning. We'll also place some under the skin. You can reserve some of the dry spice mix to sprinkle on right before baking. On both sides and on the top as well. Next we'll try to fit it in a bag. I'll leave the link to these bags in the description box. Hopefully it will fit the turkey, but we will try our best. You can also put it in a baking bag, one of those turkey bags. We'll pour the remainder of the marinade over the turkey and move it around to distribute it evenly, and then we'll seal it and I'll place it in the refrigerator because I'm going to cook this in 2 days. It's going to be absolutely delicious. That's it. Move it around, place it in and clean up this big mess. When you're ready to cook, take the turkey out of the fridge and bring it to room temperature. Next, place the turkey in. We're not doing the veggies because we're in a rush to go to the supermarket. And tuck the wing in behind the bird so it doesn't burn. I made a last minute decision to add the veggies, so stay tuned for that. Pour all the marinade on. Don't forget the neck. To make the gravy, I have 3 carrots, 4 stalks of celery. I'm going to chop up this parsley from the garden, a head of garlic cut into 2, and an onion cut into small pieces. And a half bunch of thyme. Maybe half of this is a lot. And we still have parsley in the garden, which is good. Just roughly chop it. And now we'll go place it at the bottom of the baking tray. Place the veggies at the base of the pan. Now we'll place the turkey back in the pan. Then sprinkle more of the spice rub or paprika on the turkey. A gentle sprinkle butter on. You should have done this before sprinkling the spice rub on the top of the turkey. An even sprinkle so the turkey will have an even coloring. Okay, it looks lovely. We'll put it in the oven now. The oven has been preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I have tented the turkey because we're leaving the house for an hour or 2, maybe an hour, and we'll be right back. Checking at the 2-hour mark, it's about 1 hour and 50 minutes. I'm going to cover and allow it to continue to cook. The turkey has been in the oven for 3 hours and 14 minutes. The temperature is over 160. And we're going to take it out and just baste it with a little butter. Just a little bit of butter on it. I basted it once every hour. Now I just basted it again. Just finished off with some butter to keep the top moist. And always allow it to cool before cutting it. Alright, and that's totally optional. It's going to be very delicious. And let's put it on the table so we can get a better view. Smells amazing. So it's now at 165. We're removing it from the oven. Be very careful. Always good to have something with a handle. And here it is. The turkey. Just stick it on both sides. And that's it. I'm serving it with garlic butter, mushroom and carrots. Some warm and spicy cranberry chutney in the style of tamarind chutney. I already have that recipe on the blog. You can cook the gravy with a little flour to thicken it up, but we'll keep this gluten-free. I'm very happy with the consistency. We are taking out the broccoli gratin from the oven. It was just a last-minute decision to add to the turkey meal. And here it is. I'll add it to the blog. It's going to be very delicious. Someone asked me for a cauliflower gratin recipe. I did not have any cauliflower, so I tested it with broccoli. So you can use both broccoli and cauliflower with this recipe, or with the recipe I'm going to post on the blog. And the mashed potatoes being added to the table. This recipe is already on the blog. Creamy mashed potatoes. And that's it, my sweet friends. A simple Thanksgiving for two, since the kids were still away at college when I filmed this. On Thanksgiving Day, I usually make my turkeys in a smoker or outdoor fryer, but I wanted to share a classic oven roasted recipe with you. My jerk turkey and perfect Thanksgiving turkey recipes feature fresh seasonings, but I also wanted to create an option using spices you may already have in your pantry. This recipe is simple, delicious, and perfect for beginners. If you've never made a turkey before, I hope this video gives you the confidence to give it a try. You can season the turkey up to a week in advance. Cranberry chutney can be made a week ahead, and a gratin prepared the day before for a stress-free holiday, making it easy and effortless when you plan ahead. Just packing away my husband's lunch, and I wanted you to see how juicy this turkey is. Look how juicy. Absolutely juicy, fully cooked. Perfect. I also found these clips from Thanksgiving 2023. I have no idea where the clips went, but if I do find them, I will share that video with you. On the table are two turkeys, one made in an outdoor air fryer and the other one was smoked and jerked, which hopefully will explain their dark color. Not burnt and very delicious. Until next time, stay safe, be well, cook, share, and love. Bye-bye.